We're given this equation, and it is one that is representing a circle. I'm going to group all the x together. So x squared plus 4x, we're going to see them as one term. I'm going to group all the y's together. So this, I'm going to see it as one term. Then minus 12, this is equal to 0. We'll complete the square for this. So x plus 2 square minus 2 square. Completing the square for this, y minus 3 square minus 3 square minus 12, this is equal to 0. Re-expressing this as x minus minus 2. We have x minus minus 2 square. Then this, I'll leave it as it is, y minus 3 square minus 2 square minus 3 square minus 12 is minus 25. Bring it over to the other side, it's going to be positive 25, which I'm going to write it as 5 square. So for the equation that is in this form, we will be able to observe the features of the circle, where this is going to be a circle with the radius as, reading from here, 5. And the center of the circle, reading from here, it is going to be at minus 2, 3. We're given the point 17, and I was just curious, so I did a quick check to just verify that 17 lies on the circumference of the circle. So I did that check by substituting x as 1 and y as 7 into the equation of the circle. And this is what I have found. This x squared, which is 1 square, y, which is 7 square, then plus 4x minus 6y minus 12. This gives us a 0. So it actually just verifies for me that 17 lies on the circle. And since it is tangent to the circle, which means that it is going to be perpendicular to the radius. So this angle here is going to be 90 degrees. So what we need to do is to find first the gradient of this line, which can help us to deduce the gradient of this line. And this is the tangent, which we will be able to find the equation of. I'm going to name this point here as, let's say, P. And this point here, the center of the circle, I will name it as C. So the first thing that we will do is we will find the gradient of CP. So let's say gradient is M. So MCP, this is going to be the y minus the y coordinate divided by the x minus the x coordinate. This gives us a 4 over 3, which means that the gradient of the tangent is minus 1 over this, which is minus 3 over 4. This will help us to deduce now the equation of the tangent that the question wants. The equation of the tangent will be y minus the y coordinate of a point that is on that line, which is 7, is equal to the gradient, which is minus 1 over this, which is minus 3 over 4. Then x minus the x coordinate of point P, 1. And we will deduce that the equation y is equal to minus 3 over 4x plus 31 over 4.